Welcome to the best picks. The best Klein Multimeter Leads is probably one of the most important accessories for electricians and electronics enthusiasts, ensuring accurate and safe readings. In this video, we will delve into the world of Klein Multimeter Leads, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out from the competition, helping you choose the perfect leads for your specific needs and budget, ultimately improving your measurement accuracy and overall experience. Number 5. Klein 69410 Test Leads. It works with most multimeters and clamp meters. Its standard banana-type inputs make it easy to connect. The Alligator clips securely attached to wires and conductors. This ensures a reliable connection for your measurements. This set includes universal test leads and Alligator clips. They are 41 inches long for easy reach. It's rated for Category 3 1000V and Category 4 600V. This ensures safe and reliable measurements. They fit in the lead storage compartment of most Klein test and measurement products. This keeps everything organized and easy to find. They provide accurate and consistent measurements. The secure attachment to test points is key for reliable readings. Expand the capabilities of your multimeter or clamp meter. These durable test leads and Alligator clips add versatility. What we like. It has a convenient right-angle design for better access to tight spaces. If you need versatility and durability for various testing scenarios, this is the perfect choice. Its secure connections ensure accurate readings, making it ideal for professionals and serious DIYers. What people say. The threaded-on Alligator clips are great and they stay on, and these Alligator clips are pretty well made, insulated, and work nicely. Fit my older Fluke perfectly, no trimming etc. required. It is essential for good continuity that the Alligator clips attach via screw threads. A positive mechanical and electrical connection for accurate readings. Number 4. Klein Tools 69149P. This comprehensive kit is your all-in-one solution for electrical testing needs. It includes everything you need to safely and accurately test various electrical components. It measures voltage, current, and resistance with precision. You'll get reliable readings every time, making troubleshooting a breeze. The multimeter features visual and audible indicators for continuity testing, ensuring quick and efficient fault detection. This handy tool uses a bright LED and audible tones to detect voltage without physical contact, enhancing safety and speed. It detects wiring configurations, identifies correct wiring, and pinpoints common wiring faults. This ensures safe and compliant electrical installations. It identifies several common wiring issues, including open grounds, hot and neutral wires, as well as reversed hot ground connections. Test leads and batteries are included for immediate use. Everything you need is right in the box. What we like. This kit is an all-in-one solution for electrical testing. If you're looking for a comprehensive set for various electrical checks, this kit has you covered. It's perfect for electricians and homeowners who need a reliable and versatile testing solution. What people say. With the ability to handle up to 600V of AV, as well as DC and continuous currents, this multimeter is a great tool for the home handyman and for assessing issues in most home appliances. This test kit is excellent, all items have good build quality and are easy to use. This is a great kit to have around the house to help diagnose electrical issues and keep yourself safe. Each item works well and should be suitable for most home DIY users. Number 3. Klein Tools 80101 Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for electrical troubleshooting. It's perfect for electricians and DIYers alike. Easily locate the correct breaker for any circuit. This saves you time and prevents accidental power outages. Test your GFCI outlets to ensure they're working properly and protecting you from electrical shocks. It's a critical safety check. This precise tool measures voltage, current, and resistance. It helps you diagnose electrical problems quickly and accurately. Safely check for live wires without touching them. This prevents accidental shocks and makes your work safer. Quickly test the wiring of your outlets to identify any potential hazards. It's a simple way to ensure electrical safety. This kit includes everything you need in one convenient package. It's a valuable addition to any toolbox. What we like. It's a complete kit for various electrical tasks. If you need a comprehensive solution for electrical troubleshooting and safety checks, this is the one. This kit is perfect for professional electricians and serious DIYers who require a variety of testing tools. What people say. I installed the supplied batteries in all 3 testers and they all worked flawlessly. I like the auto-off function on the multimeter. The inclusion of the high-voltage probe tips is also a bonus. It has everything I need to be safe and thorough with my repairs. There are detailed instructions included for each item, and they all came with batteries. Everything is easy to read and use. It's a good multimeter with all basic functionalities plus many I probably will never even have to explore. Don't throw away the instruction manual, there are a lot of options. It's a good deal with the outlet checker and live wire pen thing, really good safety checks to have around if you ever replace outlets or light fixtures. And a very good deal for those add-ons. Number 2. Klein Alligator Leads. These replacement leads are compatible with most multimeters. They're perfect for electricians who need reliable connections. The heavy-duty Alligator clips provide a secure connection to wires and other conductors. It makes testing easier and more efficient. These leads are perfect for insulation resistance testing. Their durability ensures accurate readings. The right-angle design makes it easy to reach tight spaces. It improves accessibility during testing. With 3-foot-long, 18 AWG double-insulated wire, they offer both durability and safety. They have a Cat 3 1000V Cat 4 600V safety rating. Klein Tools designed these leads with the needs of electricians in mind. They're built to withstand daily use on the job site. What we like. These leads are built for tough jobs. If you need heavy-duty leads for demanding applications, these are perfect. Their length and right-angle design provide excellent reach and access, ideal for electricians and professionals. What people say. These test leads fit my Fluke 117 and seem to maintain good electrical contact without interruption even when jiggled in use. Will presumably fit other Fluke multimeters that take Fluke right-angle plug-in test leads. Removable Alligator clips are big and solid, good for wiring jobs rather than small electronics tasks. These are serious Alligator clamps that will easily attach to automotive-style batteries as well as clamp onto small wires with its 2-stage clamping system. Right at the tip it has a small section to grip small wires. Clamping force is excellent too. The Alligator clamps detach from the banana clips, so they are replaceable. They have a super solid connection too, so they will not come detached unless you want them to. The Alligator clips can be separated so I can use them with other DMM test cables if necessary. Zero internal resistance and flexible. Number 1. Klein Tools 69410. These test leads are built to last. They're the perfect replacement for your worn-out leads, ensuring accurate readings every time. It features high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. You can depend on them for years of reliable service. Get accurate readings every time with these precision-engineered test leads. They're designed to provide reliable results. These leads are simple to connect and use. They're compatible with most multimeters, making testing quick and easy. This set includes everything you need to replace your old test leads. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution. You're getting the trusted quality of Klein Tools. It's a name you can rely on for professional-grade tools. What we like. It offers a convenient right-angle design for better access to tight spaces. If you need versatility and durability for various testing scenarios, this is the perfect choice. Its secure connections ensure accurate readings, making it ideal for professionals and serious DIYers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.